Okay, now it's time to test, to do the second test of ManageWP Orion security check tool. And what I'm gonna do is, I have already installed this Flickr gallery plugin, and I'm using an older version which is vulnerable. And then I added this code inside the active theme directory and named it as bad.php. And then I'm gonna go to Orion and ask to run a site check, and let's see what happens. Okay, as you can see, Orion did find one issue out of two, and it's related to the gallery, the Flickr gallery, but it failed to find the file itself. And to be honest, I expected that this would happen because there is no security tool that can handle 100% the security maintenance of a site. So you must use it as a tool, and you must keep in mind that it's just an add-on to your to how you work.